How to use the VALUETOTEXT function in Excel for Mac. Updated on June 16, 2023. Joshua Crowder. Joshua earned an MBA from USF and writes mostly about software and technology. The purpose of the VALUETOTEXT function. The VALUETOTEXT function gives an Excel user the ability to change any value in a cell to a text value. For instance, you may need a numeric value to appear in a text format to avoid formatting issues. The VALUETOTEXT function syntax. The VALUETOTEXT function needs to be inputted into a cell like a formula for the function to work. To manually add this function, the following steps need to be taken. 1. A cell needs clicked. 2. Type equals VALUETOTEXT. 3. After the open parenthesis. 4. Next, include the type of format. 0 for concise or 1 for strict. 5. Lastly, add a closing parenthesis followed by entering the formula. Below in bold, the syntax of the VALUETOTEXT function is shown in its entirety. This is followed by detailed definitions of each argument in the formula. Equals VALUETOTEXT, value, format. Value, this is the cell that contains the value that is to be converted to text. Format, concise 0 or strict 1 is chosen. When the strict format is chosen, text may be converted to show escape characters and row delimiters. Examples. In the first example below, only one argument is used to convert a numeric value to a text value. A 1 could be added to the format argument but is unnecessary. In the second example, an already existing text value is used with a 2 as the format argument. The result shows escape characters, or quotes, outside of the text. Inserting the VALUETOTEXT function. The VALUETOTEXT function can be inserted in a cell to make it easier to add data to the function arguments. To use this method, you need to first select the cell where you need your result to appear. Next, click on the Formulas tab and select the Text button. Choose VALUETOTEXT from the list of functions. After the formula builder has appeared, you can start adding arguments. When new values are added to these argument fields, the results are displayed at the bottom of the formula builder. Also, notice the tips that are given within that sidebar. To display the result into the cell, click Done. Practical applications. Here are a few practical applications for this function. 6. Formatting. With this function, you can change the format of a number. A number can be converted to use text formatting. Therefore, text formatting options can then be applied to custom format the text. 7. Text validation. Use this function to check if a cell contains text or a number. The function can be used to check if a cell contains a number. If it is a number, then it can then be converted to text with the function. 8. Data import. Prepare data for import into other systems with this function. Convert numbers to text to ensure before an import with text is required for another system. 9. Text manipulation. Use this function to manipulate the text that represents a number. Add leading zeros to a number for serial numbers or so it can be used as a code. The VALUETOTEXT function in Excel is a useful Excel tool for converting numeric values to text. With only 2 arguments, this function is easy to use for a variety of purposes. Understanding this function will aid you in Excel when data manipulation tasks arise.